Amoxicillin, amox, also spelled amoxicillin, is an antibiotic useful for the treatment of a number of bacterial infections. It is the first-line treatment for middle ear infections. It may also be used for strep throat, pneumonia, skin infections, and urinary tract infections among others. It is taken by mouth. Common side effects include nausea and rash. It may also increase the risk of yeast infections and, when used in combination with clavulanic acid, diarrhea. It should not be used in those who are allergic to penicillin. While usable in those with kidney problems, the dose may need to be decreased. Its use in pregnancy and breastfeeding appear to be okay. Amoxicillin first became available in 1972. It is on the World Health Organization's list of essential medicines, the most important medications needed in a basic health system. It is one of the most commonly prescribed antibiotics in children. Amoxicillin is available as a generic medication. It has a wholesale costs between 0.02 and 5 United States cents per pill. In the United States, 10 days of treatment costs about 16 United States dollars. Amoxicillin is used in the treatment of a number of infections, including acute otitis media, streptococcal pharyngitis, pneumonia, skin infections, urinary tract infections, salmonella infections, Lyme disease, and chlamydia infections. It is also used to prevent bacterial endocarditis in high-risk people having dental work done, to prevent streptococcus pneumoniae and other encapsulated bacterial infections in those without spleens, such as people with sickle cell disease, and for both the prevention and the treatment of anthrax. The United Kingdom recommends against its use for infectious endocarditis prophylaxis. These recommendations do not appear to have changed the rates of infection for infectious endocarditis. Amoxicillin and amoxicillin clavulinate have been recommended by guidelines as the drug of choice for bacterial sinusitis, but most sinusitis is caused by viruses, for which amoxicillin and amoxicillin clavulinate are ineffective, and the small benefit gained by amoxicillin may be overridden by the adverse effects. Amoxicillin is occasionally used for the treatment of skin infections, such as acne vulgaris. It is often an effective treatment for cases of acne vulgaris that have responded poorly to other antibiotics, such as doxycycline and minocycline. Side effects are similar to those for other beta-lactam antibiotics, including nausea, vomiting, rashes, and antibiotic-associated colitis. Loose bowel movements, diarrhea, may also occur. Rarer side effects include mental changes, lightheadedness, insomnia, confusion, anxiety, sensitivity to lights and sounds, and unclear thinking. Immediate medical care is required upon the first signs of these side effects. The onset of an allergic reaction to amoxicillin can be very sudden and intense. Emergency medical attention must be sought as quickly as possible. The initial phase of such a reaction often starts with a change in mental state, skin rash with intense itching, often beginning in fingertips and around groin area and rapidly spreading, and sensations of fever, nausea, and vomiting. Any other symptoms that seem even remotely suspicious must be taken very seriously. However, more mild allergy symptoms, such as a rash, can occur at any time during treatment, even up to a week after treatment has ceased. For some people allergic to amoxicillin, the side effects can be fatal due to anaphylaxis. Use of the amoxicillin, clavulanic acid combination for more than 1 week has caused mild hepatitis in some patients. Young children having ingested acute overdoses of amoxicillin manifested lethargy, vomiting, and renal dysfunction.